Hey guys, Sims Gaming here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I finally decided to move on from my sister's 10-year-old laptop, which I basically use at home at weekends when I get back from my college. And I wanted to do this for a very long time, so in this video we are building a simple budget build from this previous videos talked about H81M plus motherboard. We're gonna be adding 8GB of DDR3 memory with an Intel Core i5 4th gen processor. So, let's get started. Here is our old H1M plus motherboard. This is our CPU. I got it for around like €7, including shipping, which is I guess a really good price compared with other processors which were expensive. And of course, thanks to AI, I couldn't afford like 16GB of DDR3 because they are still expensive in Lithuania. So I grabbed this 4x2 8GB sticks for around €10, which was actually a good price compared with other deals that I found. And we're going to be using our old deep cool processor cooler. And let's begin the build, I guess. Here is our processor, if you can see. It's an Intel Core i5 4570, which I compared the speeds compared to my laptop's i7-6100U is like almost twice as fast, so I think it's gonna be a decent upgrade for me. Okay, perfect. Now I will put on this bracket for our CPU cooler. Okay, I guess I put it on. Well, not fully, but I guess it will work because of these, like, it doesn't make like full connection with these Intel's plastic like pieces, so I guess this will have to do. But moving over, we're gonna apply thermal paste. So let's add a decent amount of thermal paste. I guess this will be enough. Now let's put our cooler. Okay, CPU fan is installed. Now let's move on to our RAM. Okay, now let's bring our old €20 PC spray painted case. Over here on this €20 PC, I'll be removing this audio card. I'll be keeping this GT210 as well as this 400 watt power supply. I'll be removing this motherboard, of course. I'll be keeping these hard drives but not plugged in. Instead, I'll be putting a spare 256 gig SSD. I'll be connecting this DVD drive because sometimes I burn CDs, so why not? And yeah, let's move on to the time lapse. Well, sorry for this weird angle of this huge TV, but this is what I have to deal with for right now. So after this time lapse, let's do our first boot up to see whether or not will it actually work. So in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I see lights are blinking, DVD drive is spinning up. Let's turn on the TV, I forgot. Will it give any signs of life? That's the thing. It says no signal, sorry that it's in different language, but it's showing lights, it's showing signs of life actually, so as you can see it's actually powered on. I can hear the fan is spinning, but yeah, no signs of life actually. Let me quickly try to troubleshoot it to see if I can get it to post. So I'll be right back. Well, in conclusion, one of the RAM's sticks are defective, and I believe that if you can see, like this one, the RAM slot is also defective, because when I put the good RAM stick into that slot, it doesn't work for some reason. So it's getting very late. I'll be probably installing Windows 10, and I will see you tomorrow. It's the next day, and indeed one of the RAM slots in this motherboard is defective, because after buying one 8GB stick from a PC shop, I plugged it in and it's working perfectly fine without any problems. I even started to edit this video, and indeed, compared to this old laptop, this budget system performs better for sure. I can open more than like 3 web browser tabs before becoming very sluggish to operate. I can do like word processing as well. I have opened a Spotify while web browsing, like an editing video, and it operates very well compared to this laptop. I'm very glad that I can have a much more powerful system at weekends when I'm back here at home. Of course, I do have my own rig at my dormitory at college, which I use daily, but when I'm here, I can use this system. So I hope you found this video useful or like entertaining, I guess. This was just like a quick unscripted video. I just wanted to make a video after like 10 months of not uploading. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.